Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our fourth question. So what they are given here? ABCD is a parallelogram and P and Q are the midpoints of AB and CD respectively. Then what we have to show here is, let's take PBCQ is a parallelogram. So what is the given condition? Here P and Q are the midpoints of AB and DC respectively. So let's write, what is this? Let's going to join this P and Q. So let's going to join P and Q. What we are getting here is what we need to show here. So let's take here, this is the point. Let's take, we have to show what is RTP. The required to prove here is PBCQ is parallelogram. So two lines and GM, if you write like this, means this is a shortcut for parallelogram. So PBCQ is we need to show. So whatever they are given here is P and Q. So given data is P and Q are midpoints. So P and Q are midpoints of AB and CD. AB and CD. So let's going to consider this one is, let's going to take AB in parallelogram. AB will be equal to, what you can write? In parallelogram, AB will be equal to CD. The two sides are equal. Then let's going to take off of this. So what you can take? Half AB will be equal to half CD. So half AB will be equal to half CD. So what is this midpoint means? This AB will be equal to, what is that? AB will be equal to AP plus PB. Then CD will be equal to CQ plus QD. So here midpoint means these two sides are equal. That is AB will be equal to, what you can write it? So this one. So PB is half of the AB will be, you can write it. So half of the AB. So let's take PB plus PB in the place of AP. We are writing PB. Why? Because 2 point. So 2PB will be equal to AB. Then what you can write? PB will be equal to half of the AB. So this is half of the AB will be equal to, what you can write? PB. That will be equal to same like PQC also. So CD will be equal to, what is that? QC plus QD. So you can write it as QC plus QC in the place of this. Then 2QC or CQ, that is CD. Then QC will be equal to, what is that? Half of the CD. So QC will be equal to half of the CD. So for this QC. So PB will be equal to QC. So here, as we know, these two sides are equal. So opposite pair. So in parallelogram, this is, as we know, this is PB will be is parallel to QC. So why? Because it is making parallelogram. So this is parallel to this and this. So what you can write then will be PQ will be parallel to, as we know, that is BC. So PQ is parallel to BC, since BC is parallel to AD. So AD is parallel to BC. So for that it is PQ also parallel to. Then PQ will be equal to BC. Then opposite sides are equal and they are parallel to each other. Then what you can write it here as, so both are here parallel condition we got and equal conditions also we got. Then what you can write? Therefore PBCQ is parallelogram. So parallelogram. Then what you can write it here? At the same time you can write APQC is also. Therefore APQD. So what is that? APQD is also one more parallelogram. You can say based on this condition only. So this is also parallelogram. So these two are parallelogram. Hence we are proved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.